Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping at the Patagonia Lake State Park in Arizona, and we just wanted to show you how we make some delicious lemonade concentrate. I'll show you how I made it. So the first thing I did was just juiced a ton of lemons. Now I didn't count how many lemons I was using. I just juiced as many as it took to fill up this pan up to the bolt. I juiced over a strainer so that none of the seeds got into the juice. Then I took that juice and poured it into a larger pot and then wiped out the original pan with paper towels. Then I filled that pan to the same level with sugar. I wanted it to be an exact 1-to-1 ratio. Then you just gotta stir it up until all of the sugar dissolves. I just had to taste it every once in a while to see if there were any more sugar crystals. Then I just bottled them up and put them in the fridge. To make lemonade, just mix it with some water. Man, is it delicious. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it or you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and have a great one.